lemon ice cream and chocolate ice cream using only 4 basic ingredients. Here are the ingredients. For our base, we need 500 ml of whipping cream, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. This is equivalent to 380 grams. I ran out of my homemade condensed milk, so I'm using the store-bought. And then 1 gram of salt. I'm using Himalayan salt. For the lemon ice cream, I have 1/2 cup lemon juice. I extracted this from 2 lemons. And then for our chocolate ice cream, I weigh 30 grams of natural cocoa powder. If you can find alkalized cocoa powder, it's better. Let's make the lemon ice cream first. 1. Whip the cream to incorporate air until light and fluffy. We'll add the condensed milk. Then the salt. We'll mix this first. Then we'll add the lemon juice. We'll mix this thoroughly. Let me taste. Oh, it's good. We'll transfer this to a clean, airtight container. We'll place this inside the freezer for at least 6 hours. For the chocolate ice cream, the procedure is more or less the same with that of the lemon ice cream. And lastly, the cocoa powder. Then mix it thoroughly. So you have your chocolate ice cream. We'll transfer it to a clean and airtight container. Let me try it. Cover it, and we'll place it inside the freezer for at least 6 hours. Using the same base, you can add your preferred flavors like orange or strawberry. You can also add your favorite nuts like almonds, hazelnut, or macadamia nuts. This is how easy to make your own homemade ice cream. Try it and enjoy delicious ice cream made in your own very kitchen. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you, and God bless everyone.